Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about going straight on a roundabout. Okay, now there are many videos on my channel where I talk about roundabouts, and if you need a full lesson on roundabouts, there are videos on the channel, and I will leave links of those videos on the description below. But this one, I want to talk to you about specifically going straight on a roundabout. I do have another one where I talk about specifically how to go right on a roundabout, okay? But this one I like to make so that you know how to go straight on a roundabout. So when we talk about going straight on a roundabout, what do we mean and how do we go straight on a roundabout? Because I think many learners, they get confused when they are going straight on a roundabout. So I'd like to talk to you specifically how to go straight on a roundabout in this video. Let's start the lesson. Imagine roundabout like a clock face, okay? This is 6 o'clock and this is 12 o'clock. So always think of a roundabout like a clock face. Your entry is always at 6 o'clock and the exit falls at 12 o'clock is always known as straight, okay? All the exit before 12 o'clock. This is left, this is left, this is left. All of them are left. Why? Because it's before 12 o'clock. All these exits are known as right. Why? Because it's after 12 o'clock. Okay, that's 12 o'clock. All these are left, all these are right. This time we are going second exit straight ahead. Okay, this is your car, top and left mirror, no signal because we are going second straight. There's the exit here. If we signal here, people is going to think we are going in there. So top and left, no signal, left lane. To go straight is always left lane. So to go left or straight, always left lane. Okay. Speed will depend on our right. Someone coming, we will stop. If there's no one coming, around 2 cars away, 10 miles per hour, second gear, and slowly clutch up. Look again. Make sure there's no one coming. Enter into the left lane. Okay. So top and left mirror, no signal, left lane. Look on your right, no one coming, you enter into the left lane. When you enter, no signal, and until you come around here. So once you pass this part, here, top and left mirror, signal left, and then staying in the left lane. And when you're about here, just before you come off, top and left mirror and right mirror to see for cyclist, motorcyclist, if it's safe, and you enter. Once you enter, look at the top mirror, take the signal off and carry on going. Okay, on this roundabout coming up, we will be going second exit straight ahead, and the reason is straight is because it falls at 12 o'clock. As you can see the sign here, can you see second exit? It's at 12 o'clock, and this is why it's straight. Top and left mirror, no signal, left lane. Okay, here you have a traffic light, so make sure you deal with that as well. Look on your right, there's no one coming. We stay on the left lane and we don't signal. Stay on the left lane, we don't signal. Okay, we are coming up to the first exit. What do we do? Top and left mirror, and now signal left because next is our exit, which is straight ahead. As we come off, top, left and right mirror, and then we wait for the car to be straight. Once it is, look at the top mirror, signal off and carry on going. Now we know to go left and straight is always left lane on the roundabouts, unless the road marking is telling you otherwise. Okay, so in this case, if you approach a roundabout with road markings like here, the left lane is saying to go left only and the right lane is saying to go straight, which means you must follow what the road marking is saying. If there is no road markings, it's always left lane to go left and straight, unless road marking is telling you otherwise. In this case, if you need to go straight on this roundabout, approaching in this kind of road markings, you must use the right lane to go straight in this roundabout. Why? Because the left lane is going only left and the right lane is telling you to use for you to go straight ahead. On this roundabout coming up, we will be going second exit straight ahead. So to go straight on roundabout, which lane do we normally need? It's a left lane, unless the road marking is telling you otherwise, and this is the case on this roundabout. I want you to look at the floor. Okay, so second straight, look at the sign, second straight because second falls at 12 o'clock. Top and left mirror, no signal and normally left lane. But in this case, look at the floor and tell me which lane you need. As you can see on the floor, the left lane is only going left, which means in this case, we have to use the right lane. That's what the road marking is telling us. Right lane, look on our right, no signal, we enter, and as we come off, top and left mirror, signal left and we come off. Top, left and right to see if it's safe. As you come off, as soon as the car is straight, look at the top mirror, take the signal off and carry on going. The other thing about the roundabout is sometimes some roundabouts there is no road markings. Okay, because there is no road markings, it doesn't mean you're just going to drive anyhow. Okay, so for you to go straight, make sure when you enter the roundabout, you enter and you make your lane. So for us to go straight, we need the left lane. So don't just go like that. Make sure you make your own lane and make it towards left. Even though there is no road markings, don't just go straight. Make sure you make your own lane towards left. Okay, now a roundabout coming up. Okay, more gas. This roundabout doesn't have any lane markings.
Yeah.
Now just because it doesn't have lane markings, it doesn't mean we're just going to drive anyhow.
Yeah.
Second exit straight on this roundabout. Where?
Okay.
Second straight. You need to make your own lane. Okay,
Yeah.
mirror, no signal.
Yeah.
Slow the car. Yeah. 2 cars away, around here, speed should be 10 gear should be second. Where do you look? On your right. Can you see anyone coming?
Yeah.
No one. Steer with this steer, and you need to make your own lane. Which lane do you need?
This
Left lane. There's no road marking, but you need to make left lane. Mirror, signal left, and come off. Both hands on the wheel. Don't take the signal off yet.
Oh, yeah.
Why? Because you haven't gone yet.
Yeah.
Now you've gone. Now mirror, take the signal off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's it for this video, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.